Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this hairdo with the Mermade Hair Crimper. So Mermade Hair kindly sent me out their crimper about a year ago now, and I remember making a TikTok video on it and a reel for Instagram on it. It was kind of coming out of lockdown when I first received it. I absolutely love this parcel. The packaging is gorgeous, all pink or pastels. As you can see, I've used the colour behind me to get this kind of finished mermaidy hair look. I haven't brushed it out, I've just added a bit of hairspray, but I'm going to show you how to get this look in under 6 minutes. And if you're new here, make sure you follow my Instagram Olivia.grace.kd and my TikTok Olivia_and_the_talk. So before we start, I'm just going to take the hair and section it off like so, and pin it over the top of my head. So at least our sections are separate now, and I know I'm doing this bit first. So I'm just going to grab a strand of hair just to try this out first. So now that it's heated up and selected my setting, I'm just going to go ahead and clamp the top of the hair. Now this can be tedious and can take quite some time, so it is better to section off your hair if you can, because it just makes it so much more easy when it comes to actually doing it. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to push up that crimp, if you can see, just to make sure it's definitely crimping. We're not losing that crimp on the top. And there we have our first kind of crimp, if you like. I'm just going to go ahead and do that to the whole of my hair. I'm going to put it on a time lapse so it's not as long, and I might cut and start little bits so you can see what else I'm doing. Okay guys, so that is one side completely finished. I think it looks really nice. I'm just going to jump onto the other side now and do that really quickly too. So the thing I love about this is, oh my gosh, how quick and easy it is to do this hairstyle. Because the barrel's so big, you can fit so much hair into the barrel, it becomes so handy. And you can also see the hair on the bottom part where it's crimping too. You can also hear how good quality this crimper is. Like, this is probably one of the best crimpers I've ever owned. The quality is absolutely amazing. The only thing is, it is very, very heavy. So if you've got a lot of hair like me, sometimes it can get a bit tired. That's why it's so good that the barrels are so big, because you're not having to hold it for as long. I remember when I first crimped my hair when I was like 13, and I went to school every day with my hair crimped. God, the damage it must have done to my hair back then must have been insane. But I absolutely remember my grandma buying me this crimper, and I just loved it because back in the like 2011 and stuff, and so while I was crimping her hair, and I just remember everyone wanted to follow that and crimp her hair, as well as me, so that's what we did. And she showed me how to properly crimp it, and now I'd say that that crimper was very small, so achieved a lot more precise, I suppose, crimps. This one not as much, but you're getting that kind of natural waviness, the same you will with the putting a plait in, but maybe a bit more on the extreme side. But I definitely think since doing my TikTok video, it looks better with longer hair. I'd say I really struggled to get it to crimp with my short hair. Like, there was really nothing to crimp because the barrels were so big, it only works with extensions, I would say. Try and make the hair as flat as possible as well. We don't want it going in a clump like a circle, it needs to be flat. It just crimps better, and you're reaching all of the follicles of the hair. You can also change the settings of the heat whenever you want to whatever setting you want. I've currently got it on 210. I did originally put it on 100 and 90, but it does get hotter sometimes. So I'm just going to switch that off. Okay, so now we've finished the hair, we're just going to put a little bit of got to be glued on just to make sure it stays in hold all day. So I'm only going to put a fair little bit on because I still want it to kind of fall out quite naturally. I'm not going to brush this. I could run my Molly May brush through it, but I feel like it would just lose a lot of the crimp. But again, how gorgeous is this? I think this is super nice. I'll do a little close-up in a second so you can see it properly. But that hairstyle took me no more than 6 minutes, if that. So it's a really quick and easy hairstyle to achieve if you forgot to put your plaits in the night before. And just gives your hair a little bit more volume, a little bit more different style. So this is from the company Mermade Hair. Thank you so much to Mermade Hair for sending the curlers out as well, the crimpers, the curlers. They also sent me a blow dry brush, so if you want to see that video as well, let me know, because I will definitely be using that a bit more. But I think this looks so much better on extensions and looks really, really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I know I seemed a little bit out of it. I've been really dizzy recently, so I haven't really been able to do anything, and I've still got my pyjama top on, but I thought it looked cute in the video, so I just haven't been able to put any tight clothing on or anything at the moment because I just feel so claustrophobic and so dizzy. But I'm gonna go get back into bed now, and at least I know that I've vlogged this video, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!